Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your dear friend Ezigbo Crafty Mom. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this beautiful piece with just stones. Okay, I actually created this art piece with clothing stones. So guys, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I made this. Stay tuned and let's go together, okay? So first thing we're going to do is to make a base. So I literally got my base from this carton paper. So I'm going to cut out the size I needed for the design. So next thing that I'm going to do is to make my black background. So the first thing I did was to apply glue on the surface, on the carton surface, to make my background. So I actually used a black cardboard paper to make my background, and it's a thick one. So I made this background with this paper and I folded it because I wanted a black background. I wanted it to throw out the colors. So I think black is perfect color to throw out any color you throw on a black background comes up looking very nice. So I decided to use the black background for it and it came out nice like I expected. So I'm done making the background and this is what it looks like. Everything is so flat and ready. So next thing we're going to do is to trace out our butterfly. I've already drawn it, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I draw it, because if I had transferred it if I had drawn it on the black background, maybe many of us won't see what I did. So I decided to use these white papers so you can see how I drew it, and I traced directly to the black background. So we're done, and this is what it looks like after tracing everything. So next thing now is to start applying our beads. Guys, it took me a whole time, like a whole while, to assemble these beads, but guys, I was happy doing it. It was fun for me because my expectations was awesome. I expected something nice, and it came out looking the same way. So the whole time wasn't a waste of time because it came out looking exactly the way I wanted it. So now it's time to assemble the beads, and I started with the borders. Yeah, I started with the borders. I wanted to create it in a way that we can differentiate between the background and the butterfly itself. So I started with the borders. I started assembling the borders first before doing the main design. Yeah, I started to use the brighter colors first. I started to use the brighter colors for the border before using the darker ones. I think with this it can be able to differentiate both the background and the design itself. So guys, I'm done with the borders, and I'm going to repeat the same thing I did on the right hand side to the left hand side. So that is it. Now it's time to assemble the main thing, or the inner part. So here I'm trying to make some design, create some design in the butterfly, like give it a spiral or any design that will make it look exceptional. And that's why I'm taking my time to, to assemble the beads little by little, or bit by bit. Like I said guys, it took me a while to assemble this, but it was worth it. It was worth it. So now I'm going to be assembling the body with, I wanted a different color. I didn't want to mix any color. I wanted just one colors to be on the body.
Photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you, I want you coming back. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah. Call me when you want, baby, I can take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah, give me your love, yeah, yeah, yeah. I remember when we were staring photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes, and I keep you in my heart. In my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. I remember when stare in a photo. Don't forget the way you look me in the eyes. And I keep you in my heart. And my heart is where you are. I still think of you. I want you coming back. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah. Call me when you want. Baby, I can't take it on my heart. Yeah, yeah. Give me your love. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So guys, I'm almost done assembling the beads, the stones on the spaces, and right now I'm very proud of myself. So the one thing I love about creating is the fact that you can think outside of the box and you can create things with your own imagination, and everything will come out looking so perfect. I remember in school, when I was in school in the universities, our slogan then as an art student was next to God in creation. We're not trying to be God, but I think God gave us the ability to create. He gave us the grace, the ability to create all by ourselves. So guys, we are done, and the next thing here, I added these frames. This is actually paper straws. In my next video, or whenever I'm doing something like frame, I'm going to show you guys how I made this paper frame. You can make it all by yourself without anyone knowing it's just paper frame. So, and we are done with the design and everything. And this paper frame, the frames helped to, define it and give it, this finishing touch, or this finishing look. So I'm so glad that I did these frames. And guys, we're actually done, and it's time to hang on the wall. So now I'll be putting my hook for hanging, and after doing this, guys, we are done. So if this is your first time of listening to my channel, you're really welcome. I'm Ezebe Monachi Crafty Mom. I do DIYs, art of any sort. Here I'm here to show you guys some DIY artworks you can do at home. Simple DIY artworks you can do at home to beautify your home. So do well to subscribe, to on your notification button to get notified whenever I post new videos, and don't forget to like, share, so that your loved ones will see this work and keep your girl going. So guys, see you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.